Santorini Island is considered one of the most beautiful tourist islands in Greece, as it is distinguished by its turquoise waters and white and blue buildings, and the alleys of its streets that will take you to the world of legendary stories, making it the first destination for couples and those wishing to spend their honeymoon. Located in the middle of the Aegean Sea, and is characterized by its charming scenery and its exceptional beaches, in addition to the availability of a number of archaeological sites and museums that are worth visiting. However, most tourists prefer to spend most of their time on the beach. Speaking of the main and official language on the island, it is Greek. But the locals speak good English, and the street signs are written in both Greek and English, so getting around is not a problem at all for tourists from any country in the world. The island of Santorini, Greece, has great cultural importance, and is characterized by an abundance of olive groves, vineyards, corn, and tobacco, which extend from the east to the west of the island and are bordered by rocky beaches. His island has an important strategic position because of its proximity to the three continents of the ancient world. It is Asia, Africa, and Europe, which made it an important commercial warehouse and a meeting place for civilizations of peoples throughout the ages. If you are wondering about the appropriate time to spend a fun vacation on the charming island of Santorini, it ranges from 3 days to a week to be able to visit all its attractions. The best tourist places in Santorini. Kumari Beach. One of the most beautiful places of tourism in Santorini, and it is considered the most famous among the beaches of the island. About 10 kilometers from the city of Thera, the capital of the island of Santorini. You can see the giant rock that emerges from the middle of the sea, and it is famous as Mesa Funa. The sand of the beach is known for its black color. Visiting the beach in the morning or evening is one of the most beautiful things you can do in Santorini. Ia town. Ia village is one of the best places to watch the sunset in Santorini, so we advise you to visit it before sunset. The wonderful color of the sky, which is reflected in the clear sea water, which allows you to take distinctive pictures, and then you can wander around this town, which provides tourists with unique experiences. Red Beach. It was called the Red Beach due to the color of the red sand in it, as it is located in an area of red volcanic rocks. It is one of the most famous tourist attractions on the island of Santorini, and it allows tourists to see the red volcanic rocks. And the beach is full of sellers of delicious Greek grapes and other delicious fruits. The ancient city of Akrotiri. The ancient city of Akrotiri attracts lovers of archaeological tourism. It is characterized by being an ancient city buried under volcanic ash since ancient times, and it has been restored so that tourists can visit it and learn about the history of the city. Fira City. The city of Fira on the island of Santorini is famous for the beauty of its alleys and white buildings. It includes the most famous markets of Santorini, and it is considered the perfect place for walking and strolling in its narrow streets, visiting shops and cafes in it, and it also hosts a number of the best hotels in Santorini. Fira. Best Santorini hotels. Andronis Luxury Suites. Kadakis Hotel. Grace Santorini Hotel. Eros Santorini. Water sports enthusiasts can have the time of their lives in Santorini as the island lends itself to a wide variety of water sports and activities. You can find water sports facilities along the shores, especially at the cosmopolitan beach resorts Kumari, Perivolos, and Parissa, which offer lessons, guidance and the necessary equipment. It's a given that the volcanic beaches of Santorini are characterized by wild beauty and extraordinary landscapes. Trying a water sport, even if you are an amateur, is going to make it a full-on experience. Among others, you can try canoeing, jet skiing, parasailing, flyboard,